Hi guys, welcome to Craft It Up. Today we are going to make a flower bow just like this one. Okay, so in order to do so, we are going to pick two different colors of 3/8 inch wide grosgrain ribbon. In this case, I chose this multicolored one and this purple one. They are going to be for our petals. Okay, for the petals that will go on the outside, for that ribbon that you want to be seen for the petals on the outside, you are going to cut 12 pieces to a length of 3 1/8 inches. Okay, and for the petals that go on the inside, you are going to cut 12 pieces to a length of 2.5 inches. The other things that we're going to need is a needle with some embroidery thread. I like to use embroidery thread because it's much more sturdier. It doesn't break as easily as normal thread. We are going to need a pair of scissors, a lighter. I'm going to use a flower button. We are also going to need a lined alligator clip. Okay, this is an alligator clip and I just lined it with the same ribbon. And we are also going to need a hot glue gun. So in order to begin, what we're going to do is we're going to grab our needle with our thread, make sure to make a knot at the end, okay? And what we're going to do is we are going to stack one longer ribbon with one shorter ribbon like this, okay? And we are going to push our needle right through the middle, okay? But not too much to the edge, just a little bit inside, okay? So that the ribbon doesn't break. All right, so right in the middle and not too much to the edge. All right, so first push the long ribbon in and then the shorter ribbon, and then go to the other side and do it backwards. The shorter ribbon and then the longer ribbon. Okay, should look something like this. That is your first petal. And then do the same thing with the next one. Okay, just stack them up and push like this. And then the short one and the longer one. Okay, and keep doing so with all of the cutouts that you have. Okay, and just keep them in place with your thumb and index finger. Okay, don't let go of them. Just like this. Okay, once you finish, just fix them up and keep them in place with your fingers. And just keep doing so the same way until you're finished with all the ribbons that you cut out. And I will see you back here. Okay, so as you can see, I only have 2 petals to go. Okay, so we are finishing up. And the last one right here. Okay, there you go. Now, as you see, I'm holding them in place right here with my thumb and index finger. Okay, I didn't let go of them. Now, what I'm going to do is I am going to very gently push them down, okay, and through the thread, okay? And while I do that, I am going to get them in place like this, okay? Now pull on your thread until you have this right here. And what you're going to do is you are going to grab your needle and you are going to push it back the other way through the petals, okay? Just where you came through. Just go the other way around. Okay, and then pull. Okay, and you should have something like this. Now you are going to open it up a little bit, and you see where you have your thread right there. Just make a knot or two right there. Oops. Okay, and now trim that off right here. And there you go. You have your flower right there. And what you're going to do now is you're going to grab your button or whatever you are going to use for the center of your flower. And I'm just going to put a little dot of glue right there. Put my flower. So now we're going to grab our alligator clip. Okay, I had mine lined right here. And we are going to glue it on. Okay. You want to use a lined alligator clip for this flower bow because you can see through the petals, so you don't want to see the alligator clip. Okay, and you're going to put your glue, your hot glue, right where you can see the ribbon close together, okay, so that it glues on the best way that it can. All right. And you are going to press for a little while so that it glues on well. Okay. And as you can see, you can't see the alligator clip because it gets lost with the ribbons, but if you don't line the alligator clip, you're probably going to see the silver part of the alligator clip there through the petals. Okay, so you have your flower bow right there. I hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Goodbye. Thank you.